Tired of your phone not charging in your Tundra? Let's get that USB port working again. First, check if there's anything stuck inside the USB port. A little dust or debris can stop it from working, so use a toothpick or can of air to gently clean it out. Next, try plugging in a different cable or device. Sometimes the cable, not the port, is the real problem. Still not working? Turn your truck off and back on. Simple, but sometimes it resets the connection. If your Tundra's USB port is still dead, look at your truck's fuse box. Find the USB or accessory fuse by checking your manual. If the fuse looks burnt or broken, replace it with a new one of the same type. Still having trouble? Some Tundras need a software update, especially if you're having trouble connecting to the radio or CarPlay. Visit your nearest Toyota dealer. They can check for updates or deeper problems. So, next time your USB port stops working, try these quick checks. You might save yourself a trip to the shop. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy car tips.